What we've done is we have actually created a very innovative, exciting and unique experience for the families of those people who were killed, all 11,313 Royal Scots who gave their lives in the Great War. It's very special.
I'm Jim Fleming, the nephew of Lance Corporal James Fleming, who I'm personally here to commemorate him. Yeah, I think you'll find people now who basically were not interested are going to be interested.
Lieutenant Colonel Roger Binks, and I'm the Keeper of the Rolls of Honour at the Scottish National War Memorial. It does record the number, rank and name and their full names. Hopefully it records their place of birth. It also records the theatre that they died in and the date of death, or when they died of wounds or killed in action and the like, the cause, if we know it, and also which part of a unit they were in.
It's been great fun, but it has had challenging moments. Obviously it's a lot of information to process because very tragically so many people were lost in the war. And there's also some challenges about how we make this quite tragic moment in Scotland's past nonetheless readily accessible to a new generation.
It brings together a partnership with St Andrews University, with the Scottish National War Memorial, Commonwealth War Graves Commission, and all these bodies have contributed and are contributing to a resource which will be available to the nation and to the descendants of Great War soldiers wherever they may be in the world, and the general public.